Module 3. Consent is not black and white. Life isn't black and white, right? Everything in life has nuances and spaces of grey. So how can we expect consent to be black and white? Let's talk a little bit more about this in the upcoming module. In 2016, a popular actor came in a movie and said, "No means no." And we all accepted it because keh diya na, bas keh diya. And while that is a really good place to start from, because आज तक तो बॉलीवुड में यही बोलते हैं ना कि लड़की की हर ना में भी हाँ है. In reality, consent isn't that simple and straightforward. It isn't always a yes or a no, and it just isn't black and white. How about we think of consent as different colors? It can be pink when you're inebriated or under influence. Now I understand drinking can help some people get comfortable, loosen up, and even break the ice. But if you think you'll want to have sex in such a scenario, it's a good idea to discuss it beforehand, maybe even before you start drinking. It can be blue, like when you're sleepy, tired, or you're sick. Let me tell you that in such a case, you don't even have to justify yourself if you're just not feeling up for it. It can be orange, which is for people in long-term relationships or even in marriages, in which case the discussion on consent should be an active and ongoing one. It can be green, which means that you may be already sexually engaged with a certain person, but that does not mean you have to engage with them again and again. That is a separate discussion. क्योंकि consent कोई LIC की policy नहीं है कि एक बारी ले ली तो life भर installments. Consent can also be yellow, where we want to say that non-verbal communication is valid. What this means is कि just because मैंने कुछ कपड़े पहने हैं या फिर I'm being friendly doesn't mean I'm consenting for sex. That is a separate discussion. Whereas, even if somebody is not saying no, but you see them distancing themselves from you, feeling uncomfortable around you, crying, pushing you physically, or even just shivering, you need to take a step back and just give them their space.